balloon, you would have to blow it up, and remember to leave a little bit of space on the end for the tail because it looks more fun that way. So we're going to be making 9 folds. 9 folds. And I'm going to show you all the folds that we're going to do in this project. So this is going to be the head over here. This is 1 fold. And then there's going to be 2 ears. You can make it the same size. Right there. And then this is going to be the neck right here. You have to make it a little longer than the head because it's a puppy. And then the 2 legs, the front leg. Then there's gonna be the body. Don't make it too long. So the rear leg, there's gonna be 2 rear legs over here and over here. So there's gonna be 2 folds. Then there's the tail. Remember to twist every single fold at least 3 times to make it stable. First, blow the balloon. Do not blow it all the way because you need a little bit of space so you can twist the puppy's head and ears and things like that. Remember to knot it. Put a knot on it. And then pull it tight. First, let's start with the head. You have to pinch it and twist it. Remember to hold the head while you're twisting the ears, because if you don't, it might untwist. And the other ear. Then you have to carefully fold all 3 of them together. Remember to twist it 3 times to make it more stable. Then we move on to the neck. Don't make the neck too long, then you might not have enough space for the legs or the body. And don't make it too short. Then you might have extra space and you might not know what to do with it. Pinch the legs and then carefully fold it together. While doing that, you have to hold the neck in place. Twist it 3 times. Then we move on to the body. The body is not that long, so you just have to twist a little of it. And then the legs, you have to hold the body when you're doing the legs, or the body might come apart. Then you have your doggy.